Hello guys, may sakit ako ngayon. Tapos nandito friend ko. Hello guys, laro tayo. Nahulog siya. Okay guys, ako si Nico. Ngayon, magkukuha tayo ng isda. Hanggang 7 lang to siguro. Ito ay na huli naming isda. Okay guys, masakit ako ngayon. And guys, maglalaro kami ng mga isda. Hello guys. Alapit fish ko. Fish ko. Laro tayo nun. Okay guys, ngayon magtataas tayo. Tedok lang. Parang mga 5 na lang. Matatapos mo itong 5. Tingnan nyo yung tip ko. Wait lang guys. Guys, paano ito matatapos? Dahil guys, alam niyo naman, nasakit sa stable. Kaya ako na lang magagawa ng video. Aray! Sakit. Ako si Nico. Kung kaya ito matatapos o 5. Magsabi tayo ng story. Ay, wag na. Madi-delete to. Ano naman? Kailangan ko lang ng orasan. Ay, 12:30 na. Kain na. Ay, di pa. 1:35 pa lang. Laro tayo guys. Laro tayo. Yan pa siya. Aray! Ay, nood tayo TV. Nood tayo ng mga isda. Nagpuli siya ng isda. Ay, nag-iisay siya mga poops. Hanapin ko kayo dyan.
When an infected bird poops in the water, tiny baby worms crawl out of it. A small water bug eats the worms. Then a fish eats the bug. Inside the fish, the worm crawls into the eye,
Ay!
feeding on blood
Bawal
and slowly
isda.
making the fish blind. You see, a blind fish is easier for birds to catch. When a bird eats the fish,
Ano yan, guys?
These guys needed to catch the super rare fish inside of their aquarium. They rigged up this device to help trap the fish and bring it to the surface, and seeing how it works is pretty neat. Take a look.
Ay, ano yan?
bear rat price off.
Ganda ng isda.
I hate Russia. Yeah, Russia is a very bad country. I am jealous of Russia. I don't want him to live. If there was no country like
Ay,
Russia, the
gusto ko
world
siya
would
siya.
be better.
Why does everyone hate me?
But we don't.
Guys, why is it that when others make back room dance videos, they get millions of views? But when I do, here's the results.
Okay, guys, tingnan mo ito.
Guys, why is it... Save us, but
Okay,
on my last
natin
video,
mag-end
thousands of
ang
iPad
video.
kids started a secret petition to stop the reset. They're spamming the comments because they want to keep saying, 6, 7, mango mustard, tongue, tongue,
Okay,
tongue.
tama na yan. Gawin na tayo. At least, tapos na ang video. Bye-bye, guys. The end of the video.